And let me tell you one thing. I can assure you, and I will put my life on the line anytime, all the time. I will never blink my eyes twice. When the spirit leaves the body, you will face one and one only. The crown of our heads, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. You will face him. There is no other God but Jesus Christ. There is no other judge but Jesus Christ. There is no other way but Jesus Christ. You cannot escape him. You cannot hide from him. You cannot lie to him. You cannot bribe him. You cannot deceive him. You cannot put any plans against him and you think they're gonna prosper. Every plan made against Jesus shall be put to shame. Shall be put to shame.